Hello guys, welcome back to Get Your Tips, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to backup and restore WhatsApp chat on your Android devices and how to do this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is when you wanted to backup and restore the WhatsApp chat, what you have to do is first I'm going to talk about how to backup. So to do this you just have to open your WhatsApp. Now from here what you have to do is just have to tap at the top, three-dot menu at the top right. From here you just have to tap on settings. From here you just have to tap on chats, and from there at the bottom there is an option called chat backup which you have to select. Now from here you have to click on backup now option in order to continue the backup, and before that I would like to make a notice that is you can backup it to the Google Drive. If you give your Google account you can back it up. So on the backup you have options like this. You can do this by monthly, by weekly, as well as by daily, and only when you tap on backup and you never wanted to do any kind of backup you can even set this to never option. So here I have given for monthly backup so that it take monthly backup on my Android device, and once it is done there is an option called backup over Wi-Fi only. There are two options. Either you can make it completely depend on the Wi-Fi, as well as you can completely depends on Wi-Fi as well as cellular, but I recommend you can go for Wi-Fi because if it's having a large amount of files you should definitely need the Wi-Fi, so I request for that you can go for the Wi-Fi option. And also there is an option called include videos, which means you can include the videos which you downloaded as well as you shared, that will be also backed up. So I suggest if it is needed you can go for it. If it is confidential or anything which is important you can do this up, or else you can definitely turn this off because that's going to reduce a lot of size. As you can see that mine is around 335 MB. So once all these things are set you just have to tap over here. As you can see the last which I have made the update backup which I have made is on 15th August on 7:03 AM. So here I just have to tap on backup now, so that as you can see it is getting processed and you just have to wait for it. So as you can see it is getting backed up so to the Google Drive, so I have to wait for it. Once it is completely done, what happens is once it is 100%, as you can see I'm having a very good Wi-Fi, so it is also almost to get complete, and once it is done your chat is completely backup. So this is about how to backup your WhatsApp chat on your Android devices, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.